Hi, I'm Chris Van Hollen, and I'm proud to represent Maryland in the United States Senate. And I'm especially pleased to be joining all of you at the Maryland and Washington, D.C. chapters of the Alzheimer's Association for this year's Walk to End Alzheimer's. Today's walk could not come at a more important time in our fight. During the pandemic, it's estimated that Alzheimer's-related deaths have increased by 16% nationwide. And these statistics alone cannot capture the devastation that Alzheimer's exacts on our communities each and every day, and the burden that both individuals with Alzheimer's and their loved ones have to endure. It's a disease that brings hardship, heartbreak, and suffering, and impacts countless families in Maryland, our region, and across the country. I know our family was one of them. That's why I've partnered with colleagues in the United States Senate to fight back against Alzheimer's through the bipartisan Congressional Task Force on Alzheimer's. Throughout this pandemic, my colleagues and I have advocated for emergency relief to support people with Alzheimer's disease. Thanks to your help and the advocacy of your partners, the American Rescue Plan included a temporary increase of 10% in the federal share of funding for Medicaid home and community-based services, which directly benefits older members of our communities and people with disabilities, many of whom are people living with Alzheimer's. We've made progress, but these efforts must be followed up with additional long-term investments. That's why I'm currently partnering with colleagues on the Senate Budget Committee to put together our Build Back Better plan, which includes an historic investment in Medicaid home and community-based services. It's just one piece of our shared mission to ensure that those who have Alzheimer's receive the very best treatment and care we can provide. But we also need to go further than that. We need to find a cure. That requires an increase in the NIH budget, and I am pleased we are on track to appropriate record amounts for NIH in the upcoming fiscal year. In addition, earlier this year, I was part of a bipartisan group of about 10 other lawmakers from the Senate and House that met in the Oval Office with President Biden to discuss how we can make a quantum leap forward by establishing an ARPA-H agency, the H is for health, under the umbrella of NIH that can accelerate breakthrough treatments and cures for diseases like Alzheimer's that have such devastating impacts on families and impose huge costs on the country. Our mission isn't easy, and the road to a cure takes twists and turns, but I am confident that with you as full partners, we will reach our destination. It's in that spirit I'd like to salute all of you for your efforts and wish everyone a successful walk to end Alzheimer's.